Okay, so we're here at Schram's home, okay, and we had looked at and talked about the shingles which we have, which are down here that possibly be replaced, and we had agreed that the ridge cap needs to be, not the ridge cap, but the shingles on the opposing plane. So this plane over here is we have already agreed upon replacing everything in the back, and so, and also this top row, and this is the reasoning by it. So if you can see this, we're 4 inches here, 6 inches here, and to tuck in the underlayment, we can go between 4 and 6 inches, and all the fasteners to this top row of shingles, which you can see down there also, are within the 4 inches. And so by removing these fasteners, we're going to have to replace this, which we've already agreed that we'd have to replace this. But we also agreed that this roof is not repairable. And so what we're going to do is do a simulation, not a simulation, but break the seal on these. And so what I'm using here is a low profile crowbar, so that we don't cause very much damage. So here's the shingle right here, and I know we'd have to break the seal all the way across. So we're gonna start here and break this seal on the shingle, and be very careful with this one. Here we go, over there, and it's just because of the feel of things. This shingle right here coming the way it does, I can go into here and feel that there's a lot of lump sums, okay, especially right here. You can see here and possibly down here that this shingle is doing a material transfer from this shingle down below, and so now by pulling these shingles off, also a lot of material damage right here, which don't know if you can see it, but we can definitely feel it. So what we're going to do is actually going to go ahead and just pull this off. Okay, I'm going to pull these shingles here, okay, so that we can pull the shingle all the way down to here, and that way we can see the condition of pulling the shingle off. So I'm going to go ahead and remove these nails, and we also had put a couple of rows of shingles up on there to see if this new shingle is compatible, which it isn't, but we'll show those photos later. And obviously some of these nails that are up here are from the ridge cap, and also some are from just putting on this top row. All right, so there we go. Should be able to just do this one side and pull it back and see the material transfer. So I'll do this one and this one right here. Okay. And this one right here. All right, and so we can pull that up. All right, and so here we can see the shingle. Actually, I guess these are coming off, so go ahead and put these down here. Okay, and we'll put them down here where the division is right there. But so the shingles from the other side lap over right here, and so should be able to go here and see these nails holding the rest of this one on. Okay, so we have nails here and here. We're gonna go ahead and pull those. That one's actually sinking down, but that's okay because this is one we agreed we're gonna pull off anyway, the one on top, and then This one right here. Okay, and I'm gonna use my crowbar here, and we have the light on, so I'm hoping that we can see some of those. Right here we got some material transfer. Right here I can feel it right here, big one right here, okay, right here. Now let's go here. What you can see, I pulled it up here, okay, here, right here. The big one I saw, this one, big one, okay. So this is definitely not repairable on this side. So by replacing this shingle, okay, it damages all the other shingles as we had already agreed upon on the other side for the damage. So here's this one, and appreciate it. Thanks.